Okay, let's be real. We all love free stuff, right? But when it comes to building AI agents, some tools are free, some cost money, and some give you a mix of both. But the big question is, do you really need to spend money to build cool agents? Or you can do it all for free? Let's break it down in kid friendly terms so you know exactly what's worth it. Free tools are perfect for beginners, like OpenAI's free trial GPT, usually GPT 3.5, great for learning and chatting. Glamour.ai lets you create fun, simple agents with no coding. Replit free plan. It lets you code Python agents online. And Google Colab free tier lets you run small AI projects in the cloud. Free APIs like joke APIs, weather APIs, and even Pokemon APIs. What you can do for free: build a chatbot with personality, make an homework helper, create an art idea generator, and test small memory or trigger based agents. Basically, free options are like the free rides at the fair. They're fun, safe, and a great place to start. So, paid options. They are like the premium passes at an amusement park. They give you extra speeds, more rides, and sometimes VIP access. Examples are like ChatGPT Plus, $20 per month, gives you GPT-4 or GPT-5 access, much smarter than free versions. Claude Pro, $20 a month, unlocks longer memory and bigger projects. Replit Hacker Plan, $7 a month. Faster coding, private projects, and more storage. Premium APIs like advanced weather, finance, or translation tools. What you can do with paid plans: build advanced multi-step agents, use bigger and bigger brains so that your agent understands more complex requests, and give your agent a long-term memory, more like years or months. Create projects that can handle school projects, small businesses, or even YouTube automation. It's like going from a bicycle to a motorcycle. So both get you places, but one is more faster and more powerful. So, free versus paid. Free options, paid options. So, here's the chart. You can see it. Now, let's see some real examples of what free versus paid looks like. Homework helper free explains your math project step by step. Paid remembers your learning style, creates a quiz for tomorrow's test, and stores your progress. Gaming agent, it's free, funds 3 strategies for beating a level. Paid builds a detailed guide, track your stats across games, and alerts you when a new update drops. Birthday planner agent, free, suggests themes and cake ideas. Paid creates a guest list, sends invites with APIs, and even orders the cake online. So yeah, free is fun, but paid unlocks extra superpowers. Here's the deal: start free, always. Learn the basics, try different platforms, and see what excites you. If you fall in love with AI and you want to build more advanced projects, then ask your parents about upgrading. Remember, even professionals test the ideas on free versions before paying. So don't feel left out if you can't buy a plan right now. can still build amazing agents with what's free. What we'll do in this lesson? In this lesson, you'll explore free tools like Replit, Llama, and free APIs. Compare the difference between free ChatGPT and ChatGPT Plus. Build a small project for free and see how much stronger it could be with the paid version. By the end, you'll know exactly what's possible for free and what might be upgrading. So, here's the good news. You don't need to get money. Don't need money to get started. Free tools are more than enough to learn, experiment, and impress friends. But if you ever want to take your AI agents to the super hero levels, paid options are like the power-ups in a video games. Next up, we'll actually roll up our sleeves and install the basics and start coding and building your very first agent. Because theory is cool, but practice is where the magic happens. Bye!